Use a T20 bit to remove the 6 screws securing the middle housing cover. Remove the middle housing cover and unplug the 2 terminals. Use a T20 bit to remove the screws in the right handle. Flip the handle over and continue to remove the remaining 5 screws. Open the left handle housing. Loosen the 2 screws and remove the plunge frame. Take LED assembly and switch out of the housing. Unplug the terminal between the switch and the LED assembly. Remove the LED harness from the housing. Remove the harness from the middle housing. Connect a new LED assembly to the switch. Install the switch in the pocket and secure the switch wires into the wire traps in the right handle. Mount a new LED assembly in the pocket and secure the wires in the wire traps in the right handle. Tighten the plunge frame with 2 screws. Mount the left handle housing and tighten it with 5 screws. Flip the handle over and continue to tighten the screw in the right handle. Insert the wiring harness through the opening of the housing and secure it in the wire traps. Align the LED assembly wires into the housing and connect the terminals. Mount the middle housing cover and securing it over with 6 screws.